ఇప్పుడు టాలీవుడ్లో ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి టాలీవుడ్లో ఎవరు మీ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో ఆర్ ఫేవరెట్ యాక్ట్రెస్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఎవరు?
Tollywood favorite hero Mahesh Babu. Yes, because obviously his personality and his his popularity is very good, and he's really good looking, so he's very hot, so that's why.
మహేష్ మూవీస్ చూసారా బిఫోర్?
No, I've watched his hoardings and I've not watched his films.
Okay.
I've watched Vijay Deverakonda's films.
ఓకే.
Yeah, so he's also really nice, young hero.
ఇప్పుడు విజయ్ దేవరకొండ అండ్ మహేష్ బాబు ఇద్దరు మూవీస్ ఎట్ ఎ టైం మీకు ఆఫర్ వస్తే ఎవరితో వర్క్ చేయడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నారు?
I'll do both. I'll tell them to adjust a little.
Okay, actress, coming to the actress.
So I like Kangna from Bollywood basically, and recent actresses from here. I've watched Payal Rajput's film RX100, and she's really good, and I love the way she did. So I would like to take her name in Tollywood.
Okay. Aditya Roy Kapoor is your hardcore.
How do you know that? Yeah, I have a huge crush on him. Yes. Because when I was, I think, in 10th or 11th standard, the Ashiki 2 film came, and that was when I started liking men. Usse pehle to I used to feel like, these boys are so...
Why?
Because before that, I never liked any guy.
Huh.
Like, I used to feel like these guys are dirty, man. They used to play, like in school, they used to play and come with mud and all that. I used to not like them. So when in 10th we bunked our school and we went to watch it. Mom doesn't know. Oh my god.
Now it got revealed.
So I bunked my quota classes and we were tuition classes, and we went for that film. And when I watched that film, I was like, wow, he's so good, I want to marry him. So I have that feeling for that teenage crush.
Yeah. Definitely. So Aditya Roy Kapoor Ashiki 2 లో ఉండి సాంగ్స్ కూడా మీకు చాలా ఇష్టం అని తెలిసింది, అండ్ యూ విల్ సింగ్ చేస్తారు కూడా అని.
क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो, जिंदगी अब तुम ही हो, चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो. Thank you.
సూపర్. ఎలాంటి మూవీస్ అంటే ఇష్టం? లైక్ లవ్ కైండ్, లైక్ రెగ్యులర్ గర్ల్ కైండ్, ఆర్ these kind of thriller movies? Or
for me, my favorite is love stories. Intense love stories is my favorite, and then I love horror films. I get super scared, but I love to watch it still. So yeah, these are the things I like.
Okay.
Yeah, and also I think I want to get into action films, because these days I'm getting fitter and working out so much. So I think, and I used to do taekwondo before. So I think maybe if I get an opportunity, I want to get into action films.
Even though RGB గారు మిమ్మల్ని ఇంకా weight loss అవ్వమన్నారు అని తెలిసింది.
Yeah, like that's a surprise. And for the next, he wants a slim waist, and he's so particular about heroines, and so the slim
like
waist,
hourglass.
Yes, like hourglass. And it's so difficult for us to do it, but now I'm loving the journey, because more workout and eating healthy and eating less is actually helping me in my skin.
Is it not that difficult to maintain, like?
It is. So first 5 days I was getting very irritated. My mom was there, so I was throwing all tantrums, fighting with mom and doing kitch. But after like 4-5 days, when the craving goes, and then you realize whatever I'm eating, my body is working better. Like also I used to get some pimples once a month or something, but now I'm not getting pimples, and that's helping. It's good that way. Yeah.
Okay. Do you know about RGV before?
Yeah. Everybody knows it. The
like అంటే ఈ మూవీ పర్టికులర్ మూవీ ఇలా ఉండబోతుంది కైండ్ ఆఫ్
as in how this movie is. So for me, to be very honest, I was looking for a good director who has those brains and those good directions, so he can show me in a very good level on screen. So actually my first excitement when the thriller trailer released is introducing Apsara Rani, because I never saw my name on screen. And I'm like, sir, this is my name. I was screaming, I was like literally jumping, so I was that happy. So but when he told me the story and everything, first I thought he will take me or not he will take me. I had this doubt, because a lot of directors say ki your dips are not good, your height is too go too much. Your skin color is too light. It's not good for love, for pairing and all this. So I thought maybe he will also reject me someday. And so when the film actually started, I was super excited. I did not even think for 1 millisecond before doing any film that RGV sir would.
Okay.
I told him, sir, if you're doing any film with me, I will nail it to perfection. I will put my soul into it. I will do it.
వై ఎందుకు అంత ఆర్జీవి గారి మీద ఇష్టం ఉంది అంటే ఆఫ్టర్ ఆయన మూవీలో చూస్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత అలా ఉందా లేదంటే బిఫోర్ దట్ ఆర్జీవి గారు అంటే రెస్పెక్ట్ ఆర్
see, we all know who he is, and I respect him personally on a personal level because I know him. I've worked with him as an actor, so I respect him because he's very honest. We see a lot of people very diplomatic, but he is very honest. He's straightforward. If you like me, you will say I like you. If you don't like me, I don't like you. Simple.
Okay.
On the face. So when I did something wrong or when I did not perform well or when I performed well, he used to tell me on my face. That is something on a personal level I became his fan.
యాక్ట్రెస్ ఆయన చాలా బోల్డ్ గా మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటారు, డైరెక్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఇచ్చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఆ టైంలో మీకు వర్క్ చేస్తున్న టైంలో ఆయన అలాగే కంఫర్ట్ లెవెల్ ఇచ్చారా లేదంటే ఏమైనా కమెంట్స్ చేయడం లైక్
I'll tell you something. I have been most comfortable with him.
Okay.
Most comfortable in my life with him because that is the reason I could do it in that way. I could wear anything I'm wearing and I could perform. That is because of him, because the level of comfort. See, I think the kind of person he is, even I am like a very straightforward person. So I think complimenting a girl or liking a girl or telling a girl she's beautiful if she's wearing a short dress, and that's a compliment.
But he has a bad boy image kind of like
he likes it, I think, but he's not. He is actually a very good human. If you actually get to meet him or understand him on a personal level, he's a very good human. A lot of directors, they say ki mummy ko saath mein mat rakho, you have to come alone for shooting. So I left those films. I never did. You know what he told me? He said your mom is your biggest strength because since childhood she has been working for you, so she is your biggest pillar. So always keep her with you. Also because my family is also very much involved in what I do and everything. He is the only director who loved that my mom should be with me. So that way he is very good in person.
లైక్ సేమ్ వే ఉంటారా లైక్ ఇన్ సెట్స్ లో ఎలా ఉంటారో ఆఫ్ ద సెట్స్ కూడా అలాగే
No,
ఉంటారా?
on sets he is very strict. On sets he will not talk. He will just say this. So what happened was, I have this habit because of Telugu films. I have this habit of getting prompting. But this was dialogues I was doing in Hindi because it's releasing in Hindi. So it is like, why don't you remember the dialogues? You have to remember and come. You've got this bad habit. So he stopped the shoot for 10 minutes. He asked me to remember and then come and then give.
Okay.
So he's very strict on set. Otherwise he's very good. Like I can, but on sets I'm a little scared of.
ఆర్జీవి మీకు ఇచ్చిన ఏమైనా కామెంట్స్ ఆర్ కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయా ఆన్ సెట్స్ ఆర్ ఆఫ్ ద సెట్స్ ఏదైనా కూడా?
After I perform well, he will definitely compliment me. And I keep waiting.
లైక్ ఏదైనా పర్టికులర్ గా?
So after because this editing is going on and everything, so yesterday I told him, sir, I'm nervous. How is it going on? And how's this thing? I don't know how I performed because obviously RGV's level of performance I also have to give. So he told me, you look amazing and your performance also amazing. When he complimented me, I was like, oh, thank God. So it's good then.